we want to solve the equations below, the first of which is x squared minus 3x is equal to 0. We can factorize the left-hand side. We should be able to spot the common factor of x. Open a bracket. X times x gives us x squared. X times minus 3 would give minus 3x. X times x gives us x squared. X times minus 3 gives minus 3x. So this is equal to 0. This now looks familiar from what we've done so far in this section. Either the x is equal to 0 or the x minus 3 will be equal to 0. So we have x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. By now you've probably spotted how to go from this step to here without the intermediate step. Always be careful when taking shortcuts, but you can take this shortcut provided you think carefully. We now have x squared plus 5x is equal to 0. There's a common factor of x. Open a bracket. X times x gives x squared. X times plus 5 gives plus 5x. Just check. X times x is x squared. X times plus 5 is plus 5x. And this is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, and using the shortcut mentioned, x would be equal to minus 5. We now have 2x squared plus 5x is equal to 0. Once again, we have a common factor of x. To get 2x squared, we need to multiply by 2x. To get plus 5x, we multiply by plus 5. And this is equal to 0. We have to be careful with the shortcut here. So x is 0, or 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Let's look at what happens to 2x plus 5. We have x equals 0, or, subtracting 5 from both sides, we get 2x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to 0, or, dividing both sides by 2, x is equal to minus 5 over 2, which as a mixed number is minus 2.5. Note we could take a shortcut from here to here, but we do need to take care as to where the 2 goes, where the 5 goes, and with the change of sign.